The Nike Zoom Vomero 5 is a must-have for fall and winter. The Nike Zoom Vomero 5 released originally in 2010, if I'm not mistaken, and was brought back in 2022 and saw a burst in popularity. The Nike Zoom Vomero 5 was trending all over social media. That means Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Everybody wanted to know what this shoe was and where and how they can get their hands on a pair. This sneaker is fitted with open mesh and synthetic materials. That gives them texture, depth, layering, panels. It makes them a shoe that's great for any occasion and any outfit. Not to mention the upper sits on top of a very retro chunky outsole. Making up the construction of the midsole outsole, we have a Zoom unit. This Zoom Air unit, this Zoom Air cushioning means the shoe is comfortable and it's great for every occasion, whether that's walking, running errands, going to the gym. The Zoom unit keeps your foot comfortable at all times. The Nike Zoom unit promises comfort with every step, which is why this sneaker is perfect for the fall and winter. During those seasons, you're going pumpkin picking, you're going shopping for loved ones, and this shoe will keep you right. You're also in the gym working out, and this shoe will be perfect for that as well. The Nike Zoom Vomero 5 has been cemented as a staple of modern sneaker culture. Like I said earlier, this silhouette strength is that it's very, very versatile. This sneaker complements your streetwear outfits, and it also goes with whatever you're doing during the day. Whether it's errands, working out, or just hanging out with friends, this is the shoe for you. This sneaker comes in a multitude of colorways. You can find a pink pair, a red pair, a blue pair, a yellow pair, a black pair, a white pair, a gray pair, an orange pair. You can find a pair no matter what color you want. This shoe was made for you.